Today's video is going to be a little different. First, because it's our first ever collaboration with another clay artist. And second, because I'm not the one who made the figure you'll see in this video. This character was sculpted by my friend and fellow creator Rutogo, a master of detailed and expressive clay figures. His style is instantly recognizable. Clean lines, bright colors and tones of personality. We decided to do a character swap, so in this video you'll see how he brings Tanjiro to life, and on his channel there is a new video where you'll see my sculpture. If you enjoy clay sculpting, anime, or just love watching how a lump of clay becomes something alive, stick around until the end. So, who is the character Rutogo is sculpting? Tanjiro Kamado is the main character from the anime and manga Demon Slayer. It's a story about loss, resilience, and the deep love between siblings. After a demon attacks his family, the only one left is his little sister Nezuko. She survives, but is turned into a demon. And not just any demon, she still holds on to her humanity. That's why Tanjiro sets out on a journey to save her. He joined the Demon Slayer Corps, training hard to find a cure and get revenge on the one who destroyed his family. Along the way he meets allies, fights terrifying enemies and unlocks an incredible power inside himself. The story takes place in Taisho era Japan in the early 1900s. The setting is visually stunning: kimonos, old towns, mountain forests and demon-filled nights. Every demon slayer had their own unique techniques based on breathing style. Tanjiro uses water breathing, his fighting style follows like waves and strikes with precision. It's beautiful to watch. Honestly, I didn't know much about this anime before we started this collab. Rutogo told me a bit about the story and I got really curious. Now I am planning to watch the whole thing. So yeah, thanks to him for the recommendation too. Alright, let's dive into the process of sculpting Tanjiro. Rutogo begins with the armature, a wire base that supports the figure and holds the pose. This is especially important when the character has a complex stance or extended elements like a sword. Next comes the base sculpt: torso, legs, arms and head. Then he starts adding layers of details: the folds in the clothes, the belt, the sword sheath. It's all sculpted from polymer clay, step by step, from the big forms to the tiny finishing touches. A lot of care goes into the face. Tanjiro has a strong, determined expression with a hint of a sadness. Rutogo captures that feeling through every feature. Then comes the hair, thick, dark, with sharp edges. Not an easy task to get right. After that, he works on clothing and accessories. The katana, belts, fabric textures, armor small pieces, everything is added carefully. Once sculpting is done, Rutogo takes time to smooth out the entire figure, removing every tiny bump and flaw. It's a very long and meticulous process, but it makes a huge difference. And finally, painting. That's when the figure really comes to life. Rutogo uses paints to add shadows, highlights, and dimensions. The eyes are especially impressive with depth, light and emotion. And of course, that iconic chicken Haori. Getting the pattern right takes a lot of patience, but it looks amazing in the final result. When you see the finished sculpture, it's honestly mind-blowing how much work and care goes into it. But that's what makes handmade art so special. Every piece is one of a kind. And don't forget to watch our second collab video, where you'll see the character I sculpted. It's already live on his channel. Thanks for sticking with us until the end. If you want to see more collabs like this, leave a comment and tell us which characters we should sculpt next. We are always up for your ideas. And of course, like, subscribe and hit the bell. You know the drill. See you next time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out Rutogo's channel. He's got lots of awesome figures from different anime and cartoons, all crafted with care and style.